Hi, I'm Desiree with Herbal Wise, here to talk with you today about an aromatherapy recipe for pet odor. There are a few ways, very simple ways, that you can eliminate pet odor using aromatherapy and essential oils. The first is simply by adding about 15 drops of a single essential oil or a total of 15 drops of a combination of essential oils to 8 ounces of a natural shampoo. Mix it well and use it regularly. A second way that you can benefit from aromatherapy for pet odor is to create a spray. And this is simply adding chosen essential oils to distilled water. I recommend adding about 6 drops each of lavender, sweet orange, peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree oil for disinfecting as well. Just add 6 drops of each of these to about 16 ounces of distilled water and put it in a spray bottle and shake it well. You can spray the pet's bedding, you can spray the pet directly. Just be sure to cover their face and eyes before spraying. And lastly, you can create a deodorizer for carpets or bedding using baking soda and herbs. You simply use crumbled dried herbs and mix it with baking soda, put it in the affected area, sprinkle it over the affected area, wait about a half an hour, and then vacuum it up. I'm Desiree with Herbal Wise, and this was Aromatherapy Recipe for Pet Odor.